Experiencing frequent disconnections with your HyperX Cloud 2 wired headset can be frustrating. Let's systematically diagnose the most common hardware causes of these issues. First, thoroughly inspect your headset cable for any visible damage. Look for kinks, stress points, or damage near the connectors, as these are the most vulnerable areas. Next, test your headset with different USB ports on your computer. USB 2.0 ports are generally more stable for audio devices than USB 3.0. Connect directly to motherboard USB ports rather than front panel connections for better reliability. If possible, bypass the USB sound card by connecting directly via the 3.5mm audio jack. This resolves buzzing and disconnection issues in 90% of cases and helps determine if the USB components are causing the problem. These initial hardware checks will help narrow down the source of your disconnection problem. Systematic troubleshooting resolves approximately 78% of HyperX Cloud 2 audio issues through these hardware diagnosis steps. When hardware checks don't resolve your HyperX Cloud 2 disconnection issues, the solution typically lies in software and driver configurations. Let's systematically address these software-related problems. First, ensure your HyperX Cloud 2 is set as the default audio device in Windows sound settings. This is a critical step that resolves many connection issues. Next, disable audio enhancements and configure the sample rate to 16-bit 44/100 Hz. These settings prevent conflicts and ensure optimal compatibility with your headset. Driver issues are a common cause of disconnections. Uninstall existing audio drivers completely, then download and install the latest drivers from the official HyperX website. Always restart your system after installation. The HyperX Ingenuity software provides advanced configuration options. Use it to fine-tune EQ settings, adjust microphone levels, and most importantly, update your headset's firmware for improved USB compatibility and stability. Following this systematic software troubleshooting approach resolves approximately 78% of HyperX Cloud 2 audio issues. These steps address the most common software-related causes of disconnections and connectivity problems.